Good morning everyone, Piotr speaking. Welcome to my weekly Forex analysis. We start with Euro USD monthly chart as usual. That's the monthly chart, and on the monthly chart you can see we've got quite a strong candle at the moment. It's not a closed candle, so you cannot judge it that strong. It may finish as a red candle. Okay, in this case we could have a reversal signal in this area. So this is what you can prepare yourself. Okay, so this is what may bring the future. So then you know how to handle and how to deal with it in the future. Okay, should you have a reversal signal here, a red reversal signal here, reversal in for a short positions, then you will be searching for a short position for short trades up on a lower intervals. At the moment, we cannot judge it yet, because this candle may react to this moving average was 100. This is 1 point, and this may happen very soon, as I will show you in a few minutes. And this candle is reacting, may react to this green candle. I used to talk about it. This is a strong reversing signal for a long position in the area of the Bollinger Middle Band of the moving average 100. Okay, and I used to say, I said, I think a week ago, or a couple of weeks ago already as well, those are two corrective candles, and this one may turn out to be a corrective as well. It may go up and become at the end of the day, at the end of the month, a green one. Okay, the previous one broke through this resistance line anyway. But good, let's have a look what's going on the lower intervals. Let's check the weekly. That is the weekly. We've got a third red candle in a row. So this is already quite a strong signal, to be honest. Okay, and we are below the Bollinger Middle Band. I used to talk. I talk about it about the situation here around here. So it looks like the market was respected those levels, this 61.80 level, and actually tried 1, 2, 3, 4 times to get through that. And it looks like we had here reversal here, reversal here, reversal here, and again here. The market failed to keep on going up. Anyway, if you check the daily chart, you can see that my count looks like a finished count, and we may have started something new to the downside. So this is one scenario saying, okay, we have an impulse to the downside, which is most probably finishing, or it's about to finish, or has finished, and actually I already sent you a long signal for this. So I'm trying to get into a position around those lows here. Okay, I even ask myself whether it might be too late already. Okay, so maybe it was too late to be honest, but we will see. I will see, and what will happen tomorrow during the day, and there might be a chance to go into a long position again. Okay, so in this case we may have either a corrective for this downward move. Okay, a corrective may go up to 50% of this move, 60% of this move, or there will be something else. But the thing I wanted to show you on this daily is that should it be an A and a B and a C again, and this downward move was a C wave, in order to complete the structure, the C is reacting to the typical C levels, C Fibonacci levels. Okay, so that's why I'm also paying attention to those levels and to this area. Okay, it may give a nice opportunity to enter into long position in order to keep on going up and maybe to test those highs here again. So this is, in my opinion, the most important stuff on Euro USD. Let's have a look on 1 hour. Do I have my 1 hour updated? Yeah, it's updated. Yeah, it's look like a yeah, the market do not have that power to keep on falling down. But what has happened is actually the market broke through those through those low here, or through that low here. Okay, so there was a move to a downside. But anyway, this is a low, this is a new low, this is a low, this is a higher low. So there's a divergence on this market, in my opinion. Good. Volume is decreasing, okay, by this downward move. So the volume to the downside is decreasing. So it may give a small indication. Okay, there might be something going on. There might be something. There is the chance for going up again. So this is Euro USD, Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, the monthly situation. The weekly, we had a shooting star, a doji, and this is also interesting. It was a green during the week, and then it turned out to be a doji again. So you can see, okay, this is something. There's something going on here. Okay, most probably we are turning down. We're turning down. And if you check 3 hours, let's have a 3 hours. Okay, we were in a long position here. Let me show it on here, because I had a nice screen here. Sometimes people ask okay about different stuff, and okay, this is I had a comment from one of my subscribers saying we're in this area. I mean, on last Friday, in this area, I will go back to this 3 hours chart. Okay, saying okay, maybe we should go up, we should go long again, because it's not that easy to go short here. Yeah, it was too late already for long positions. We were in a long position around here. Okay, I sent you a signal at the beginning of the month, and you can see how the signal has developed very, very, very nicely to the upside. Okay, it was very, very strong signal, which made more than 1 to 10. Okay, more than 1 to 10. And if you check it, there is one point I'd like you to remember, or to pay attention to. I had a stop loss for this long position with 167.31. Okay, and you can check in the left upper corner, there is a low 167.32. Okay, so my stop loss has survived with this 167.31. Okay, and for this is important to have a good quotes. Okay, not every single broker offers you such quotes. Okay, in my case, my stop loss was not triggered with 31. Of course, there were 2 stop loss. To be honest, yeah, I sent two stop loss if I think it's important. So this is this is why you have had, okay, this is this 167.31 and 166.90. Okay, but in cases where I sent two stop losses, and you can see, okay, the first stop loss was not triggered, it indicates, okay, this is a strong position, because the market was not able to break even the first stop loss. If the first stop loss was triggered strongly, yeah, you can ask yourself, say, okay, there might be something going on. There might be something that might not be that perfect. There might be something. Maybe I should go out of this position. So that's the idea behind that, because sometimes traders put their stop losses very tight by 1 or 2 pips or 3 pips, and if the market moves 10 pips, they're out of the position. Okay, and if I keep my stop loss a bit deeper, yeah, so there is a chance that the market will not be able to throw me out from this position. Okay, so in that case, it made almost 200 pips. Yeah, so it's like 1 to 10. Okay. So, yeah, that's the point. That's the point. There is a situation on this 1 hour chart. I show it as well here. Actually, this was done already for the short position. I was already looking for a short position, and actually I've sent some signals for a short, but unfortunately the market was not able to trigger it. Okay, I have even changed an entry with this signal for I think 168.81. There was a position for that with that price, and it was in this area here. It was in this area here. Okay, and the market was not able to trigger it as well. Yeah, so it was the market had on this candle, the market had a high price with 168.80. Okay, or 801. Okay, so my stop loss, my sell limit position was 81. So sometimes it's that yeah. Sometimes if you see it, one pip is missing, you can open by your hand a position. Yeah, so do not wait for a market to trigger a position. Just open it by clicking it. Okay, so this is the case, and there was actually another situation, very similar one on Friday, last Friday, 57, and the market went up. It was after this red candle. I mean that one here, because this is that candle. It was a continuation, and the market go up until 168.50, 56, and 57 was my position. Okay, so if you see it, okay, just open a position. Okay, it shouldn't be in every single case, because it's actually not a common situation where I have such entry prices where the market is not able to trigger them. Yeah? In most cases, 99% of the cases, the market will trigger those positions. This is also a situation where I send a buy limit order with slightly or 2-3 pips higher than I was expecting. Okay, I send you 167.43, although I knew that I had chances to enter with a lower price as well. Yeah, but I was afraid that the market may not be able to trigger those buy limits. So that is the reason for that. Okay, so there was some few info regarding those signals. Anyway, the market reversed in this area and it's keep on falling. What I'm looking for now is actually, I'm asking myself, was it an ABC, and this is something new to the upside, or was it was it an A and a first impulse to the downside? And is it a correction, an A, B, and a C, and it's completed, and there is something new started to the downside, or this is an A and a B and a C? Okay, so there are two scenarios I'm working on right now, and I do not rule out none of them. So, but there might be, A and a B and a C, it might be completed, especially that the market has reacted in this area I've shown before. So the market is respecting 61.80, okay, and it was tried 2 times those highs. And if you check the 8 hours chart, this is the 8 hours chart, and on the 8 hours chart you can see there were high volumes in this area, and you can see the candles, how they look like. This is a shooting star on a higher volume. There is the red candles. There's quite a strong candles. I mean, there are bigger candles, green candles, this one, and this is on a much lower volume. Okay, so this is a green candle to the upside, but the volume is low. Okay, so what does it says? Okay, there is no smart money. They are not professionals buying. Okay, they're only the beginners buying. Okay, but they are buying actually those long position, and the profits they are entering into their short position. Okay, this is that. Okay, good. So this is the Great Britain pound USD, most important stuff. Let's check the gold market. The situation on the gold market is like follows. I ask myself whether this is a part of a fourth corrective structure and the market will go up, or this is 1, 2, 3, A, B, C for 4, and the market will fall to the downside. If you check the daily, on the daily there is a support line like that, the blue one, and should the market break it strongly, there will be some selling, in my opinion. As long you can see, okay, the market is respecting this area. Okay, it looks like that the market has something here that it keep on going up. To be honest, yeah, the market's not able to break through that, but we don't know, yeah, so we have to wait. It's the best way to tackle such situations. Good. Anyway, I'll go to Japanese yen currency pairs. Now that's the Great Britain pound Japanese yen with the levels here around 178.80, where the market may finish this upward move, in my opinion. Let's check the weekly. On the weekly, we've got a green candle. It looks like an A and a B and a C ended in this area. I don't think it's that the bigger C. I think it's a part of a C still, of a C wave. If you check the 3 hours, yeah, let's have the 3 hours. I think we had an A and a B and a C wave completed most probably as a part of this bigger C. Okay, we had a big A, a big B, probably a part of it of this big C. Okay, an A, a bigger A, a bigger B, and a bigger C, which will give us a big C. Okay, and this will not be a big A again. Okay, this will be completed in this case, in my opinion. Okay, I think it will be completed. I think the market should make a correction, which should be at least 23.60% of this third wave. Okay, so this what should happen. Yeah, it doesn't have to happen, but it may happen, and it should be the case. To be honest, I'm looking for that. Good. Weekly. Weekly. Okay, there was a weekly candle. Okay, which is yeah. Okay, yeah. Then I send you a buy signal in this area, saying that this was a buy limit order. This is I put 1 pip on that because actually I made more than 70 pips on that. I made this TP1. The market was not able to trigger that price, and I wrote in this signal, you can open already a smaller position. If I write something like that, it means I have already opened a position. Okay, and in this case, the market was not able to trigger that position. Okay, was not able to fall deeper to trigger prices at 65. Okay, you can check it on that candle, and the low on that candle was 170.67. Okay, so 2 pips, 3 pips missing. Okay, and there was a nice reversal here. Okay, there was also a position for this trade, and actually I have this was that position sent already on the May 19th, but I have cancelled it. I was a little bit afraid of a situation on 1 hour and on my short position on 1 hour chart. I mean, those are these positions. Okay, those 2 positions on 1 hour or a 10 minutes chart. Let me see what I have. I don't think it's updated. Wait a second, is it updated? Because sometimes my charts are not updated during the weekend. Wait a second, I have to check it, double check it. Yes, it's up to date. Yeah, that's the situation. That's a 10 minutes chart, and the situation when I sent those sell limit orders. Okay, a perfect trade setup usually is not able to break your stop loss. So this is also important. And then the market kept on falling down. And actually, I was looking for a confirmation. It was a strong candle on that day that went strong to the downside. And actually, then the market started reversing here, but I was a little bit afraid. I mean, I have cancelled this buy limit at 169.90 day before, or 2 days before it happened. And actually, this was wrong. Yeah. It was a very nice entry area, yeah, which was calculated very carefully by myself. So yeah, unfortunately, yeah, you can miss a very it's not updated. Yeah, it's updated. You can miss a very nice. It was on 3 hours chart. You can miss a very nice entry. Yeah, it happens. What can you do? Nothing. Happens. Okay. Next time we'll have 200 or 300 pips on a position. Good. Yeah. So at the moment, I'm asking myself, I said, whether here a C wave was completed, and this might be a part of a B wave to the upside, and then a C wave again to the downside. So this is quite possible. Okay. I have shown something on 1 hour on Friday. That's the situation on 1 hour on Friday, and it looked like, I mean, maybe I'll show it on this Google Plus. You can have access. You have access to this Google Plus, so you can follow all my comments regarding the developing trade setups. I think that was the initial chart shown like that at the beginning. So I was saying, okay, this looks like a butt pattern. The market may reverse and go up. Okay, and if you check this 1 hour, it happened actually. The market went up and broke here this resistance line. Okay, but that wasn't that strong for me. Okay, I would like to have this green candle going into this Bollinger upper band. It wasn't the case. Okay, so I said, okay, now it's not a good point to enter, and the market reversed and fall down. Okay, it reversed again. It looks like it may finally go up. It may finally go up. This will be most probably the case. Okay, I think I have something on 10. Yeah, this is on the 10 minutes chart, because there are some positions waiting to be triggered on this 10 minutes chart, and I'm waiting for 172.09 to be triggered. Yeah, it may happen this evening. This may happen this evening. So let's see what will have it from that. So this is the most important stuff for Great Britain Pound, Japanese yen, USD Japanese yen monthly. That's the weekly. On the weekly, okay, we are around this Bollinger middle band. The candle is green, but was not able to break through this Bollinger middle band. There was a trade setup I've shown. Okay, so with this candle breaking through the support line and then this retesting, you can see one stop loss above that, 1-to-1 made. Okay, that is the reason the market went up. Okay, the situation was a little bit tricky in this area. I talk about it, and that was the reason I'm staying away from this USD Japanese yen currency pair at the moment. Yeah, I think the market may have finished something in this area, and that is the reason it reversed and went up again. Okay, so it's better to be aware of such situations, and sometimes it's better to trade the other currency pair than a particular currency pair where you are not that sure about your counts and about the situation. Sometimes it's better just to. It's a must, to be honest. Yeah, it's a must. Okay, if you do not know what the market is doing, it's better to stay away. Euro Japanese yen, now it's red. I used to talk about the situation. I said, okay, the market may need more time to complete it, to reverse in this area, but it's most probably reversing in this area. Yeah, and I think it's the case. Yeah, the market needed more time in order to complete all those structures here, and finally broke through this support line and made a move to a downside. I will have an eye on it. It's still not that clear. It was everything clear up to here, but this area, I think the market just need more time in order to confirm that reversal on this monthly chart. This is pretty much what is going on here. Okay, so most probably there are some part of a corrective structure which has started to develop. Okay, and it might be even a diagonal in the first position. What I mean in a position, what is quite common. This is 1, 2, and 3, because diagonal has waves has freeze inside, but those are 5 waves. So those are 5 waves, I think. Okay, so this is 1 and 2. Let's try to count it a little bit. Let's wait a second. Okay, let's have a look like what's going on here. I want to put it here. What is okay? It's only 61.8 at the moment. Yeah. This could be a triangle as well. Yeah, it's, I mean A, B, C, D, E, and then final fifth to the upside. Yeah. And the triangle is always in a pre-last position. Okay, so should this market finish this upward move, what could be the case on grip and pound Japanese yen as well, as I said at the beginning of this video. Okay, so the market may need some time to make a final move, which might not be able to break that high. Okay, this might not be able to break that high. There might be a second, a double top here. Okay, there's one top, there might be another one, and then the market will start falling. Pretty much like that. Good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. That's all for this week. Have a nice day.